That's not, ano yung sinabi sa akin kahapon? Hindi naman yun.
Favoritism.
Hindi naman yun. Yung sinabi kay, hindi naman yun.
Daya.
Totoo.
There's something wrong with it. It's just that you have to make them conscious of the reality na they might be next in line. Alam mo yun?
If they want to.
Kung may pinapabor kayo, kausapin nyo na. I-groom nyo na. Okay?
Groom lang, pero walang favoritism.
Point. Tama.
Ako sure na naman eh. Sobrang siya na yung groom eh. Hindi, okay na nga. Tapos na yun. Nag-graduate ako. Narinig ba yun?
Sure ka? Grabe ka, sure ka.
Oh!
It's so nice hearing.
Last year, namin hear ito sa'yo. Nag-high school ka.
Yeah!
Kior.
Oh my God, what's wrong with you?
Nag-high school ka?
Hindi. Something about St. Paul.
pala kayo.
Sabi sa high school pala kayo. About St. Paul eh. Basta parang gano'n.
High school sa kayo.
KR.
Unnecessary.
Oh my God! You started it! Oh my God!
So ako na namuno.
Of course. Ikaw na.
Leading KR, Mel.
Ako din?
Ano ba?
Ako eh.
Kasi James ka naman siya.
Hindi nga ako nag-judge.
Okay, tayo na yung tatlo. Okay. Ayan. Wait, threats. Lost ID services, please. I think it's really one of the best things we can offer. Huwag na, naman na.
Ibig sabihin ko na yung
Wait, clarification. If may magtanong,